How is solar changing the global energy landscape? By 2023, installed solar power capacity will exceed 1,200 gigawatts globally, with countries such as China, the United States, and the European Union leading this shift. But there is a crucial ally in this transformation: energy storage systems, or BESS. In this video, we will explore the evolution of solar energy, its integration into the energy mix, and how BESSes are revolutionizing this industry to meet the challenges of the future. Plus, I'll show you why this combination is key to a sustainable future. Stay with me until the end and discover how these technologies can transform energy projects like yours. The history of solar energy is a story of constant innovation. From the first water heating applications in ancient times to the invention of the first modern photovoltaic cell by Bell Labs in 1954, we have come a long way. Today, the efficiency of commercial solar panels exceeds 22%, thanks to technologies such as perovskite cells and bifacial panels. The global expansion of solar power is impressive. By 2023, more than 50% of installed capacity is in China, followed by the United States with 20% and the European Union with 15%. This shows how this technology has become a dominant force in the global energy mix. But how did we get to this point? The answer lies in the technological advances and policies that have driven this growth. The integration of solar energy into the global energy mix is not only a technical achievement, but also an economic one. Since 2010, the cost of solar energy has decreased by more than 80%, making it one of the most affordable options for electricity generation. This progress would not have been possible without economies of scale and manufacturing innovation. But we cannot forget the key role of supportive policies. Energy auctions, feed-in tariffs, and tax credits have created stable and predictable markets that encourage investment. Despite these achievements, solar has a fundamental challenge: intermittency. Spikes and dips in solar generation can destabilize power grids. This is where storage systems come into play. Energy storage systems, or BESS, are an essential piece in the energy puzzle. How do they work? Their main advantage is the optimization of energy dispatch. They store surplus generation during off-peak hours and release it at times of higher prices. This not only improves profitability, but also stabilizes market prices. In addition, BESSes play a crucial role in ancillary services, such as frequency regulation and voltage control, which are essential for maintaining the stability of power grids. In areas saturated with solar power plants, the BESSes make it possible to reduce congestion and optimize the use of the infrastructure, maximizing the profitability of the plants. The future of solar energy and storage systems is promising. The International Energy Agency projects that global capacity could exceed 2,500 gigawatts by 2030. But to achieve this growth, we need to overcome several challenges. Emerging technologies such as solid-state batteries promise to increase efficiency and reduce costs, which will accelerate the adoption of these solutions. However, regulatory frameworks and lack of standardization are major obstacles. If we want to ensure a sustainable future, we need clear policies that encourage the adoption of storage systems. The combination of solar energy and storage systems is not only the future, it is the present. If you want to learn more about how these technologies can transform your project or business, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you take your ideas to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content and to keep learning about BESS systems.